check out the Roush TVS 2.3 liter custom paint to match. This supercharger is sick. Hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify to see cool videos and superchargers like this. Let's get this party started. Hey, what's up? Brent for Brenspeed. Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. This is nuts. This 2012 F150 5 liter. We're adding about 10-11 pounds of boost. We're setting it up for fuel from Alaska. Yes, Alaska. This thing came in 3,600 miles away. Let's take a look at the engine compartment. Let's watch on the dyno. Let's see what kind of power it's going to make. These trucks make roughly about 290 real horsepower from the factory. Let's see where it's at right now. So I used to drive a 13 F150 Roush TVS Supercharger as my daily driver, and that's where a lot of the ideas for our F150 builds comes from. So this is the phase 2 kit, of course, custom painted. We are running the 4 Performance throttle body. Just like Mustangs, we're running Kooks Headers as well as cooling mods. So it does have the rear cylinder head cooling kit. It's really important to keep the engine as cool as possible when you're building a Coyote truck or Mustang, and this thing's gonna be very, very awesome. This particular client is gonna use it for towing, daily driving, probably a little bit of racing, and the great thing about the calibration that we made for the F-150s is it was for all of that. So on my 13 F-150, I used the same calibration when I towed a race car, when I took it down the drag strip, or I drove it daily. So I think I'm gonna just make a poll right now so you can see what the numbers it makes, but don't forget in the description I have links about all these parts. You might have more questions, as well as you can email quote@brenspeed.com to get pricing on something like this being installed. But I think I'm gonna hop in right now and make a poll and let's see what it makes. All right, 499 real horsepower, 493 torque. I love that torque. In a truck like this, whether you're towing, daily driving, that's gonna be sick. And right now, wide open throttle, so we're 450. And remember, a truck like this from the factory makes about 290-ish real horsepower, maybe 300 on a good day. So that's gonna be some sick power, and it's calibrated for Alaskan fuel. Make a little bit more power in certain part of the United States, and you get some good 93. So don't forget, if you have a question, leave a comment, happy to answer. And again, the description's gonna have links to all the parts we talked about in this truck, as well as you can email quote@brenspeed.com to get pricing on something like this installed. Thanks for watching.